the people prefers shaving for hair removal because it's painless, but it's short-lived and leaves unstable. Waxing gives a lovely smooth finish, but it is way more painful. However, you can use some best numbing cream that is bearable and feel like electrolysis and epilatum. I have researched about the best, effective and strongest numbing cream and shortlisted top 3 of them that got thousands of positive reviews in Amazon and other websites. I will show you the reviews here to save your research time and you can buy them without hesitation. Also, I will tell you my secret ways to waxing without pain in the last of my video, so keep watching. So our third product is Ebanel 5% lidocaine topical numbing cream. It is only $15.68 in Amazon. Temporarily relieves pain, itching, soreness, burning, reduces swelling and protects irritated skin. It begins numbing in 3 to 5 minutes and peaks after 20 to 25 minutes. It is a water-based skin numbing cream. This is the bottle. Okay, let's check the reviews here. It got so much positive reviews in Amazon. Let's check. 4.4 out of 5. 5-star Kindle 5-star. Do not get waxed without it. Perfect for tattoos. Don't pull. Experienced lidocaine products. Love. Fantastic, works amazing, but I don't know if I found glass-like stamps. Okay, let's check the Walmart. In Walmart, it's only $16.50. Okay, let's check the reviews. In section reviews, it got 4.2 out of 5. Numbing that works. Now amazing. Wow, something. All are positive reviews here. All got positive reviews, positive, everything here is positive. Let's check the Ebanel sites. In Ebanel sites it's $16.50 and got 4.4 out of 5. It works. Found a pain cream. Okay, worth every penny. It helps, looks like a cream. Okay, let's check to our second product. Our second product is Relax and Wax No Screamed Cream, no mess, no grease. It is 1 pound. Okay, it should be applied as a fairly thick layer and should not be rubbed into the skin like a lotion. No skin cream isn't messy or greasy, won't harm your clothing. Let's check the reviews. In Amazon, it got 3.5 out of 5. Great. Must have no skin cream dream. I figured it out now. It works. Updated review. Amazing product. Couldn't believe it. Lifesaver. Amazing. Okay, let's check the Walmart. In Walmart, it is only $20.50. And the reviews are here also good. Okay, let's go to our first product. Let's check the eBay, and eBay it is $21.99. Let's check the reviews from eBay. 4.3 out of 5. Outstanding. Work but doesn't work. I don't know. Here rubbed in 5 minutes. Okay. Excellent product. It really works. Master 1. So this is all. If you have any question about this numbing cream or want to know more about numbing cream, please write in the comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.